Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to Disney on Ice. Hi girl. I'll be out here doing the most.
I'm gonna buy soda so you can wait for.
We said kiss. Well, I'm a kid today. Let me see your crown. Oh.
Disney flashback page.
Oh my god, right. That happened in Space Mountain, so.
We're keeping it real here. Too small for my head.
I think you can open it.
No.
You can't?
Just gotta sit there.
We are here, y'all. Look at my ears. Anger and Mickey. We are on a suicide mission. Mimi is scared. She always is.
Soy Joana.
Enciendan su imaginación y únanse. La magia está aquí. Que nos hace estallar de alegría. El cuarto polar. La Minnie Mouse. Then we laugh and talk all evening, which is totally bizarre. Don't let them see it. Ay, qué torpe. Tú no, claro, me refiero a que la torpe soy yo. Well, now that you know, ustedes también la oyen, ¿verdad? ¡Vamos todos! There's just a lot you simply got to know. So, welcome to the family.
So, I'm gonna tell you what I did. This show started on a Wednesday, and usually when shows do like a weekday type of thing, they don't sell out.
It was empty.
It was so empty. We were up in the lights up there, you know? And we had a decent view, but we were just yapping and whatever. And then I convinced Mimi, which I always try to do and she never wants to, to go down. So we went all the way to the first floor. So I said, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. And you know what I was doing in the bathroom? Making a fake ticket.
He went into the bathroom. He came out and he's like, do you know what I did? I was like, I know what you did. He's doing something in there. He is photoshopping that. He is photoshopping
the ticket. It worked in my favor. They said, sit over here in VIP.
Literally like front row.
Living our best lives. She was singing out loud.
Me and Encanto, Princess and the Frog. That's my shit.
So yeah, if you like this video, make sure that you like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.